How to cancel JustFit subscription. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can cancel your JustFit subscription. Now this is a really simple process and this is going to be a really quick video. So let us just begin. First, open up your settings. After you open your settings, you will see your Apple ID on the top. Tap on your Apple ID account. After you tap on your Apple ID, you will get redirected to your Apple account settings. Now under your settings, you'll find a lot of things like your personal information, sign-in and security, payment and shipping, and subscriptions. So we are going to go in subscriptions. Tap on subscriptions and let it load. So after you tap on subscriptions, you will get the list of all of your subscription that you've done, and right here you should find your JustFit. After you find your JustFit, just tap on JustFit and then you can cancel your subscription from there. And it's that simple, guys. And that is how you cancel your JustFit subscription. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and stay tuned for more.